to my channel, Yuka here. If you are new here, welcome. I'm Yuka living in Tokyo. So today I'd like to make something very good for a picnic. It's mini burgers. Yes, so what makes it something special is I'm going to use this machine. Can you guess what it is? Yes, yeah, it's a takoyaki machine. I brought it from Osaka. Yes, I'm going to use this takoyaki machine to make mini burgers. If you like this video, please hit like button and subscribe. Okay, so let's do it. So for the buns, I use this Hotcake mix. Yes, so this is a pancake, but we call it hotcake, and you can make very fluffy pancake using this mix. But don't worry, if you don't have it in your country, you can use flour, sugar, and baking powder to make very fluffy buns. Okay, so let's bake the buns. So we have to cool down these buns for a while. So while we are waiting for that, let's grill pate and the eggs. Yeah. The burger is very mini size. I need to use mini egg as well. So I found this very small. Let's compare. Yes, this is a normal size of egg. Yeah, so cute, small. Yeah, we call it uzura tamago. Do you guys use this kind of small eggs for cuisines in your country as well? Okay, so for the decoration, I bought new pins. Yes, these very cute colors, neon colors. Yeah, recently I'm like crazy about collecting pretty pins. Yeah.